Exhale. Good. Now slowly open your right leg outer side. Release the arms as well as. Now catch your open fabric. Just climb up and moving to the plank pose. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Body flat. Drop your arms. Good. Now once again drop the head back and wrap around the fabric both legs. Now release your left foot. Good. Open your arms. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly once again catch your left ankles with your palms. Now climb up, release the arms, climb up, moving to the plank. Breathe. And slowly once again wrap around the fabric, bend the knees. And release your left, catch your right knee with your ankles. Breathe. Take a deep breath, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Good. Now slowly release the arms, climb up. Open your right leg, release, climb. Just climb up, both legs together. Feet apart, together. Yes, join your palms in front of the chest to prayer. Breathe. Open legs. Knees tight. Press the elbows against the fabric, outer side fabric. Good. You can find the balance. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now join your legs. Now this time rise the arms, catch the fabric, elbows pointing towards me, legs together. Yes, arch back. Breathe. Walk your arms towards your tailbone. Arch back. Breathe. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now slowly once again drop the arms down. Just with control. Just fall forward. Release the arms. And bend the knees, wrap around the fabric.
I'm back here.
Yes.
I'm scared. I'm scared too.
Breathe.